let's get started with making your childhood favorite ambrosia.
Take every fruit that you have in the refrigerator. These are apples. Dice them up. We're throwing in blueberries. I love peaches in the summer. These are the two key ingredients, the strawberry and banana. And then we've got grapes. I often actually like to cut the grapes in half. The exciting part for the kids, little mini marshmallows. So we throw these in.
That's a lot of marshmallows.
That might be more than I normally use. And then we have shredded coconut. When I was a kid, we used the sugary type, but this is just the plain healthier, and it actually does the trick. And then we need something to mix it, bind it all together. We used to use sour cream as kids. This is coconut yogurt, which is delicious, and you don't really taste the coconut at all. So then we just
mix it all together.
Mix it all together. So that looks pretty good.
And you could bring this to like potluck or
barbecues,
whatever.
Cookouts.
I'm gonna try it. That's delicious.
So,
Good job, House.
Thank you.